Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your host with the very most from the one and only DMZ TV. And today we have a special guest straight from Russia with us.
Привет.
You're not Yuri.
Where's Yuri?
Where's Yuri at? Oh, there's Yuri.
Hi guys, привет, друзья.
And on today's episode of Hookah 101, we're gonna be talking about
Exotic hookah.
Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to make an entire hookah from a pineapple. How does it sound?
Sounds interesting, man.
Okay, so what we will need is a pineapple, and we'll also need orange and pomegranate. I don't know, how is it correct?
How do you say that in Russian?
Granat.
Granat.
We'll make a balls either from a orange,
Nice.
apelsin,
Okay,
or from a pomegranate.
Interesting.
that's exotic.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
Let's start. Okay, we'll start from the basic. We'll take a pineapple and a knife. So task number one is to cut pineapple. We have to leave approximately, I would say, 2 inches from the top. And the trick actually to make it as straight as only possible.
Super straight.
Yeah, let's try to do it. Here we are. Okay.
Voila.
Clean cut.
Nice.
Okay, so this is the step number one. So let's put it somewhere to the side. We'll need it with later. Okay, so step number two. We have to make actually a base from this part of the... The next step is actually to make an actual base from a bowl. It's really complicated and you have to make it very аккуратно. How does it sound in English?
Perfect.
Let's try to do it in a perfect way. Okay, so we have to cut it in the diameter. I would say leave about half of an inch from each side. So we're trying to do something like that. We'll go a little bit deeper. Definitely, because we have to have a place to put a downstand and to put water inside or juice or whatever. So right now we have to clean it a little bit more. Okay, we took a pineapple, we cut it.
Voila.
Yeah, make a nice hole inside. And right now what we will do, we will prepare a top part of a hookah. We'll take it and we'll cut it somewhere over here.
So you do take this part off?
Yeah, and right now we'll work with this part, we'll cut it. The task is also to make it as straight as you can. So, what we have done, we cut the top part, so we'll make a hole in the middle. Okay, we'll need a knife for fruits, and we will make a hole right in the middle. Try to make it as straight as possible. So, here we are. We got a hole, almost in the center. But that's fine, and right now we will do one more hole to put a hose. It's very important actually because we'll have to make a hole where the hose will go. So basically we need to make a hole at 45 degrees angle.
Okay.
At an angle straight.
Angle,
Gotcha.
not angel, yeah, angle. Okay, right
An
here.
angel.
And the trick actually, it shouldn't be connected with this one.
It can't connect?
No, it can be connected, in other case it will not work. So
Okay.
I would say like something like that. So be sure it will not connect with the first hole. So what we have done, we made 2 holes in the top of the
Middle
hookah.
and the hose.
We made a perfectly great hole in the base, and right now we will make we'll put a down трубку. What is it?
Downstem, yeah.
Downstand, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. We'll put it. I use actually downstem from my own hookah, which I love, which fits perfectly to pineapples. But you basically can use any трубка,
Any type of pipe?
any type of трубка.
Trubka.
Okay, any type of трубка. Just put it here. Yep,
Straight to the top. Okay.
straight at the top. And this one, why is very convenient to use? Because I can put this one on the top.
That's to hold the bowl at the top.
It will hold the ball, and it also
doesn't-
will
it's not
prevent the pipe from getting down.
Okay.
So, and after it, we put it back. The only issue and the only thing that you have to be aware that the down of the trubka
Downstem, yeah.
doesn't touch the bottom of the base.
So that the air can.
Yeah, we'll put water inside, juice or something like that, but we have to be sure that the trubka is not closed. That's one of the...
Make sure there's some space.
I would say, yeah,
At the
maybe
bottom, yeah.
as more space as better, but not go to crazy. So
Yeah, not too much.
just some space will be fine. Okay, and after it, once we've done it, we check that everything works fine, so it's almost ready. And one more thing, very important. Right now we have done with 2 holes. One is for truca,
For the stem?
yeah, exactly, and the other is for future holes.
Okay.
Right now, actually, I will do the third one. It's not necessary to do. You can do a great hookah without it, but we will do the third one. We will put
the
perch
perch.
for
The
perch.
perch,
Yeah.
okay.
If you have perch from your own hookah, from your hookah at home, that you can take from your hookah and put inside, it will be great. If you don't, it will smoke perfectly
this
without
one's
it.
fine.
Yeah, we have one, so we'll do it.
It's more convenient.
Yep, I'll just take it away. Not to break it, and make one more.
Magic.
Now I know
Magic
why
happening.
this is so exotic, man.
Just to be sure that holes not goes not connect each other. Yeah. Не присоединяются друг к другу.
Absolutely.
Okay, I hope you understand what I'm talking about, and you guys I hope understand also. Okay, so we have pineapple with 3 holes, which are made okay, not very nice. You can probably do it much more better, but it's okay. And we have perfectly made base. So right now our task is to fill it with the water. Can you help me?
That one, yes, my friend.
Yeah.
I do indeed.
Try to leave about maybe 1 inch and 2 inch, so
Okay.
before the top. So right now we make sure that downstem goes to the water, it goes there perfectly. And the next thing that we are going to do, little trick, we'll use toothpicks,
Toothpicks.
Toothpicks, yeah.
toothpicks, зубные
Yes.
палочки.
How do you say that?
Зубные палочки, very easy.
Зубные палочки.
Very nice. Okay, to fix, to connect top to the bottom. These particular ones are very big, so I break them
You cut
into
them,
parts. Yeah. And we put, but be careful because once we do it, we won't be able to fix it. So that's the problem.
This will be perfect the first time.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, the hookah is almost ready. We put grommet on the top,
Yeah.
резинку.
Резинку.
And now we will do the bowl. What fruit do you want me to use to prepare a bowl?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Okay, let's do it with a pomegranate. So the idea, we will use a cloud to heat it, so we will have to make a cut somewhere over here. Okay, so we cut the top. I'm not very focused on doing it very straight because it's not very easy to do it straight first time, but right now it won't be a big deal.
Yes.
After it, we have to make a cut on 45 degrees. Here we are, something like that. After it, what we do, we take a knife and we cut a hole.
Wow.
Looks ugly, but it will work great.
And it'll taste great.
I hope.
It's still cool.
Okay. On this stage, you really have to dry it very well.
Just get rid of all the excess juices.
Yeah. Sometimes you can make a little bit bigger hole here, or a little bit small, depends on how much tobacco you prefer to smoke, how long is your smoking sessions, but in general, something like that will be fine. Does make sense?
Yeah,
Gotcha.
of course.
Okay.
Granat.
Okay.
That you said?
Granat, exactly. Very nice pronunciation. So we'll put shisha inside. We use some trick to prevent shisha from falling down. We put железка,
Железка.
Like
piece
a
of metal.
it's like a
I don't know how to
metal.
name it, but anyway, we'll put it right in the center.
Ah.
Many people actually, the majority of people in the world, they use mouse sticks, but it's not very convenient. It's much more easier and it gives a much more better smoking experience. Right now we'll fulfill it with tobacco.
Tobacco.
I'll use different brands today and I'll use different flavors.
What flavors are we using?
We use strawberry milkshake and we use a citrus flavor. Okay, it smells very nice. Okay, here we are. So I mixed 2 different flavors, strawberry and citrus. We can cut it a little bit.
Cut it. No thick leaves.
There is no leaves actually, it's very nice. Mix it. dry a little bit. It's actually very dry, but we'll dry a little bit more. And we'll put it right inside our bowl.
Looking good, looking good. I can't wait to try it.
Okay.
I wonder how this is gonna smoke.
Don't dance it very much, just push it very, how to say, easy.
Yeah.
Nice and easy.
Nice and easy, yeah. Prevent of tobacco touching heating device or foil or anything that you use to heat it. So just the same level, maybe a little bit lower than it is. Yep, and it's ready. Put actually a little more. So it is ready right now.
Alright.
Perfect bowl. Okay, let's put charcoals.
Alright guys, there you have it. An exotic hookah Siberian style from Yuri himself, the Russian king of pineapple hookahs. Are you ready to smoke? Because I'm ready to smoke.
Let's try it.
Try it out.
Let's get this.
Let's get it. Yeah. Oh, cloudy.
It works.
Nice.
Try it, guys. Try it out.
From
No,
this,
Nick. Oh,
hold on. This is the Hookah Expo battle champion here, okay? He passes me the hookah, I take it.
that's true.
Oh.
Hey.
How do you like it?
Wow,
That was smooth.
this is amazing.
Okay, now let me
Great.
steal that from you. You
That's
stole it
amazing.
from me the first time.
That exceeded my expectations, to be honest.
Yeah, and
not
that
gonna
is
lie.
how the well works. The first-
That hits
the first-
better. That hits better than hookahs in lounges and where I'm from.
Big facts.
Sorry.
We ain't gonna disclose it.
Yeah, very soon we are going to
Yeah,
show
I'm
it in
gonna
our
pass
lounge.
it, bro.
Oh.
Now Yuri made something very similar to
We got
this
it, we
right
got
here
it.
during the expo.
Okay, let's see.
How do you like it?
You used the pineapple at the expo too, right, Yuri?
Yeah, I use the pineapple also.
Oh my god!
Right. Right.
This is awesome, Yuri.
And I'm very much surprised that it works.
Why you capping? You
Honestly.
know that was gonna work. Come
Like
on.
this isn't
Yeah,
scripted. This
I
isn't
was
scripted.
sure.
We literally didn't think it was gonna smoke.
Come on
This is
now,
amazing.
Yuri.
It's smoking amazing.
It is. It's really nice, Yuri. Really,
So yeah,
really well done.
don't need to buy a hookah, just buy a pineapple. And the trubka.
A truca.
Trubka.
We need a truca.
Trubka.
And there you have it, Hookah 101, exotic hookahs, Siberian style from the man Yuri himself. Yuri, do you have any closing remarks for anybody?
Yeah, guys, and pay attention to the to the purchase we done. It really works well, and we made some nice decoration to make it look nice.
Really.
And I also want to thank you for inviting me. It was my great pleasure.
Absolutely.
I also want to say that in 1 month we'll open a lounge in Miami, and I would like to invite you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Sounds
Yuri.
like our party.
Thank you, man.
Now, guys, it's DMZ TV. It's your host, DeMarco.
And your favorite Costa Rican, Alberto.
Now, don't forget, smash that like button.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And you better.
One more thanks to Yuri for being a part of our video, guys.
My pleasure, guys.
Yeah.
Sir.
And it's
Yeah.
DMZ TV. We're out.
Out. Сегодня мы будем делать полностью кальян из целого ананаса. Как вам такое?
Touch, ¿de qué está hablando este tipo? No entiendo. Repita, por favor.